Hey guys, beautiful review, project food, vegetables, pattern. Creating project food items like vegetables and fruits can be a fun and creative project. Like different and beautiful yarn, color and crochet hooks. To get start, find project pattern and or review online that match the fruit and vegetable you want to make. Then follow the instruction to create each item using different stitches and teach uniques and to achieve the thread texture. You can customize the size and detail to make them look as a and